welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a few weeks. Y'all, it has been very hot down here in South Carolina. We have been in the high 90s for what seems to be the past 2 months, with the heat index of way over 100. It has been very unbearable. My husband did, bless his heart, God love him, put a window unit in my shed. So now I have 2 ACs going, and now it is tolerable. It was so hot that I would have to come out to the shed and work on things either extremely early or really late into the evening. I have been crocheting. I'm making stickers now as well as tumblers. So, let me just grab a few of the tumblers I've made and show you what I've got. Okay. Sorry for the TV right here. So here's one that I made for Halloween, a little pumpkin face. Hot Mess Express. Yeah. Then I've got this one that I made. It's black and red. And then this one, Be Kind. I have a few more that I've made, but they've actually already sold. Let me see, y'all. I will also show you some of the stickers that I have that I've made. Some are custom orders. So we've got, spoiler alert, I don't care. All my stickers are waterproof and they are shiny. This one, Yarn Hoarder, of course, you know, that's how we roll, right? This one was a custom. My Heart Beats Football. Let's see. I won't show them all to you. These right here are in my Etsy shop as well. I've got one that says hashtag pumpkin spice time. Hashtag all the yarn. Now, these are not in my shop. These were actually made last night for another custom order that I have not shipped yet, but I will show them to you. If you have any interest in these, please let me know. Just the tip, I promise. Okay. Okay, this one, Crochet is Life. Peace, Love, and Yarn. I Love You. I Am Bi-Stitchual. So that has the crochet hook and the knitting needles on it. Now these two, if you are offended by language, fast forward about 20 or 30 seconds. I'll just let you read it. And then this one, yeah, I'll let you read this one as well. But those are some of the stickers that I have made. Some of them are in my Etsy shop. Some of them are not yet. So, I'm going to combine this. This is mainly just going to be, I really haven't made anything other than the tumblers and the stickers. You know, I was doing all that crochet for the events. One of them did cancel. Still not 100% sure whether I'm going to do the one that did not cancel, just because numbers are starting to rise again. That's kind of all I've been doing. I'm getting back into the swing of things. I do have a sweater that I've been working on, and unfortunately it is in the shed. Oh, I made this t-shirt. I made this t-shirt as well. And it says hashtag all the yarn. So yeah. That's really all I've been doing, guys. Fast 6, 7, 10-minute video of a day in the life of the Lopsided Crafter. Okay, so let's do a little bit of life update, and then I'm going to do a separate video for my recent Michaels haul. Just so I can have the, the hauls separate from my chit chats. I have a doctor's appointment on Monday morning with the rheumatologist. Monday afternoon with the gastroenterologist. Hopefully, and I know I've been saying this for months, but the deal is the rheumatologist has a plan, but we have to rule out and or rule in other things before we can continue on this plan. My inflammation numbers are supposed to be at a 5 at the beginning to middle of August. 5 is normal. Beginning to middle of August, mine were at an 11, which is considered extremely high. I know I haven't really went into much details about what is going on, but I am starting to get more symptoms when I'm walking. Basically, my legs and my feet go numb all the time. And before you say, is it sciatica? No, it's not sciatica. It's an autoimmune disorder. Again, I don't really want to go into it in this platform. You're more than welcome to message me. But that's kind of what I'm dealing with. I may or may not end up in a wheelchair because of this. So I'm dealing with it the best I can. On top of that, I've got other issues going on, so it's just crazy. It's just crazy. But I did want to, like I said, wanted to get on here, give you guys a quick little update of what I've been doing. The tumblers, the stickers. I don't really have anything crochet related to show you because once the events decided that they weren't doing that anymore, that they were canceling, or well, the one was canceling, I went full force into tumblers and the t-shirts. Oh, I've also done some tie-dye t-shirts, but those are in the house. So yeah, I don't really have anything to show fiber related. But anyway, that's kind of where I am. That's what my life has been like for the last month or so. Now that it's actually comfortable out here and I can actually be in here more often, my videos will start to come again more often. I, excuse me, if you caught my last video, you've seen the yarn that I bought at the Southern Comforts Fiber Fest. I ended up not doing the pattern that I bought that for. I'm sorry, that my hair keeps blowing. These little pieces keep blowing into my face. Ended up not doing the pattern that I actually bought the yarn for. I'm doing the Daybreaker, which is a knitting pattern. I will link that below and show you that. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen it. So yeah. What else is coming up? I have like I said, a Michael's haul video for you, as well as a review on some new crochet hooks, which you will see those as well in my Michael's haul. So until next time, guys, happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy looming, and happy everyone else and everything else. And if you guys are in harm's way in Louisiana, I am praying for you. I have been thinking about you and hope that you guys have made it to safety. And yeah, we are far inland, and where we are in the Carolinas, obviously we're not going to be getting it near as bad as the New Orleans area. But even as far inland as we are, we're still on track to get damaging rain, damaging winds for damaging property. So yeah, I've been thinking about you guys, and if you are in that area and you have made it to safety, please let me know below. And yeah, until next time, guys, bye.